outside of Rio Hotel and Casino. So this is where you can find Chippendales. So let's go walk around the hotel. Let's explore. This is my first time here. So let's go.
It is fitting like it is, but it's not.
Wow, there's not much people here in their casinos, or maybe I'm in a different location. But this looks like a stage where bands will be playing, or they're gonna have a show here. That looks cool. So this is Rio, and I'm not vibing that feeling of Brazil yet. You know, I would love to visit Brazil, but at the moment, this is the closest place I could get. So let's go and find the Brazilian feeling around in this casino. So let's hope that we can find something. That's really nice bar.
Well, they kept the success short because the season used to be 82 games, and now it's only 52.
Oh, there's not much people. Oh, I want to go. This area looks really nice. Ooh, it's a bistro. Oh, that's what it looks like. There's Salon High Limit Gaming. Really nice. Fancy. There's nobody inside. Oh my gosh. Ah. Wow, look at the ceiling, the chandelier. Very pretty. And I want to see this restaurant over here. It's called Royal. Wow, look at the detail. Oh my gosh. I feel like I want to have a photo shoot right there. Look at this. Wow. That's really beautiful. All right, I'm gonna have to stop and do a selfie around here. So let's see. Okay, let me grab my phone. All right, looks like these are the celebrities, or looks like they're all comedian that came here and performed. Was she really performing with her underwear? Heels on, braless. Hey, you know what? It's Vegas, baby. Really cool. All right, so let's head out to their pool area. I don't think I'll be able to go. I don't think I'll be able to go inside, but we at least. Oh my God, there's no water. But that's their pool. Oh my God, it's empty. There's no water yet. Here's another restaurant. American food if you want. Steak. Oh, let's go to their lobby. Let's see what their lobby looks like. Pretty simple. They still have their decoration for Chinese New Year. We have another restaurant, which is a pho restaurant. Enter. What day today? Sunday. And it's really quiet. For the mostly people that comes in here probably are locals. because the location of this hotel is far from the strip. So if that there's a dim sum restaurant. Wow, and so this is their buffet, which I don't think they're open yet. They're not open. Wow, really pretty. I like how bright it is with a touch of red. Really cool. AJ Dim Sum and Seafood Chinese Restaurant. Have we already walked the whole casino? Wow. Oh wow, and they also have Korean restaurant. Oh, they do have variety of restaurants here. I like that. There's another gift shop and a very long line to get coffee. So there's only a few restaurants that are open. Do you guys see that? Kind of look like a train rail around the ceiling. That's where they will have the show. I've seen it on TV, like the carnival that they do, like in a big event. So that's how it should be here. So the idea is like that. Instead of having the performance on the floor, they do it over up on a ceiling. Isn't that brilliant? And you know what's funny? I remember it now. Visited Las Vegas for the very first time, and I think my bae took me here, and I remember that dancer was like up on the air dancing, and so she was shining and shimmering splendid. Yeah, I think that was here. Okay, so I already walked around the casino, missing that Rio feeling, but anyway, it's wonderful to visit here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Let's go and visit another casino. The Kiss store is now open. Let's go. Look, it's Kiss. Whoa, what is that? It's a maze. Oh, it's a golf course. Oh, wow. This is fun. Look at their albums, photos.